Alright guys, today I'll be making a video. It's going to be called Diesel Heater versus a Blueberry Red Bull can. That diesel heater right there. And we're going to see how it goes. Keep in mind I'm doing this on break at work. So it's at its highest setting, and we're going to see how this goes. Alright, it's starting to do some. Missing a lot of paint now. As you can see, the can is starting to melt at 1 minute 21 seconds. Can has officially melted. That's all we got left of the can. That's all I'm willing to do. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, follow for more. I also do truck builds. Please share this video too. Keep in mind I'm doing this stuff at break time on work, so you're not going to get the best quality of videos. I gotta find something non-flammable to put this in. So yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, like and subscribe for more. And share this with some friends, man. I need the support. I'm just a 17-year-old trying to have some fun. You know what? Let's stick in paint. Nothing. All right. Now, please like, subscribe, share. Share it with your dog, share it with whoever. And be sure to give me a suing if you really like the videos. Alright, catch y'all next time.